Hey, what's up everybody who pays attention, which is not very many people. I wanted to give a quick update on the vr6 Jetta wagon project. It's been a while. So this is it. I buttoned it all up, and this was all off camera, of course, because why would I ever do things on camera when I could instead do them not on there? But took the whole front end, put it back on, and I still haven't done the, oh wait, there we go, come on now, there we are. So I haven't put the cover back on, but it is running and driving now. And I took it down to the gas station, put a little bit of gas in it, and you know, it's buttoned up for the most part as much as I'm gonna do at this point. I kind of lost interest in the project, and a friend of mine, or well, not really a friend, but a person that I know wants to kind of see it through, and I think that this is a car that is worth saving because it is such a unique one. It's obviously the wagon, has DLI wheels on it from like 03 or something. Let's see. So black leather stick, vr6, black on black, and then silver, which is, you know, a desirable-ish color. So that's really kind of what the whole thing's about with this car, and the fact that it's pretty clean. The only thing is that it does have the rocker here. So I replaced this fender with a new one, well, off of a pick and pull lot car, which happened to be silver, which was sweet, but this one did have stripes. You can kind of see I took them off. Not great, but enough. But you can see here that this is some Bondo work. I did a little bit of Bondo here because it was just rusted, but it's not structurally bad. It just, I had to make it kind of build it up to the level of the undercoating. So it's still metal beneath that. Bless you. This side, however, is not good. So this needs to be addressed. You can kind of see it bubbling. Some dickhead put this on there. It's like a piece of just like aluminum flashing or something. I did not do this, but they wrapped that around, and then this is all you can see rotted. And that rot goes to about here. So they sell patches for these. They're probably gonna, the next owner is gonna have to probably do that. This car also needs brakes really bad and probably new struts. And exhaust work, and I have a Borla for it that I'm going to include in the sale, but I'm just going to take my money and run here, and then probably put it into something different. This car looks super gross right now because it's covered in polishing compound, because I did the lights. They were super yellow and fogged out. I did a video on that where I kind of did these lights. They don't look awesome right now because they're wet, but they look a lot better than they did. They were hella foggy, and now they are not. But this thing just is a trooper. It rolled over 318,000 miles on my way home from my karting league the other day, which was just awesome. I freaking love this car. Every time I drive it, I just like it more and more. The seats, though, that's probably the next thing. But right now, this has just kind of become the family truckster. It's you know, obviously got the huge bed, basically, well, not bed, but you know, it's a huge flat load floor that's, I can lay end to end. It's 6 foot pretty much from there to there, from where the seats are to the tailgate. So this thing has sort of just become a family hauler slash car that I take when my wife needs the fusion, or the blusion as I call it. Speaking of which, I'm gonna go take it now. But anyway, just a quick update on this car. It's gonna be gone soon, probably tomorrow or Wednesday or something.